Hi everyone, I'm Kenneth.
I'm Sean. I'm Joshua.
In today's world, being literate goes beyond just reading and writing.
That's right. We are here to talk about the importance of media literacy, technology literacy, and information technology literacy, and how they help us make better decisions every day.
So let's get started.
Media literacy is all about understanding and analyzing the messages we see in TV shows, social media, and even news reports. It helps us question in what we see, recognize biases, and avoid falling for fake news. For example, when we read a trending story online, media literacy teaches us to fact check before sharing it.
Technology literacy means knowing how to use digital tools, apps, and device effectively. In school, we use technology to research information, collaborate with classmates, and submit assignment online.
Information literacy. Information literacy, on the other hand, is about finding, locating, and using information correctly. With so much information available online, it's important to know which sources are reliable and which ones aren't. For instance, when doing research, we look for credible sources like academic journals or verified websites.
Why are they important? All three types of literacy play a big role in education, work, and daily life. Media literacy helps us avoid misinformation.
Technology literacy keeps us updated and with modern tools.
Information literacy guides us in making informed decisions.
In a world where information spreads quickly, it's essential to develop these skills.
To improve your literacy, stay curious, fact check what you read, and explore new technologies.
Remember, being literate in media technology and information help us become smarter and more responsible digital citizens.
Thanks for watching.
See you next
to like,
time. Bye-bye.
share, and